Pi Network badge claiming is currently live. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to claim your Pi Network badge. So you can see on the screen, Happy Pi Day 2026. So if you open your app, this is how you go to see on your screen. So to claim your badge, what you need to do is to tap on this section here. It is the Pi Day. I want to tap on it, so we bring it to here. So in this particular section, you can see there was a particular task you need to complete. So the first one, you need to explore the new launch pad on the testnet. So you want to tap on it, so you can see. So this is where it will bring you to. You can see view launch. So after we come back, you can see it have been marked. So you go to the next section, which is the secure account. You want to tap on it, it will take you to another steps. So here it has bring me to my midnight checklist. I will come back. You can see also the next step is remind your team. Want to tap on it. So if you just go there and come back, you will see it will be marked. So the next one is validate that check. The next step is create apps. You just go there and come back. Join Pi Network node, which is learn more. You just go there and come back. You can see read the Pi Day blog, which is read now. You just go there and come back. You can see claim your Pi Day badge. Once you tap on claim, so you can see congratulations. You can see our badge have successfully claimed. So how do you know your badge have a claim? What you need to do is to go to your Pi browser. So once you open your Pi browser, what you need to do is go to profile section. Here is your profile. So once you tap on profile, so guys, you can see this is our dashboard. Our network is doing something. Okay, so you can see earn badges, right? You can see I have earned my badge here. So it is very important to do yours now, right? So that all the Pi Network ecosystem can see that you are part of the Pi ecosystem. So guys, if you find the video helpful, kindly subscribe to this channel and check the link in the description or comment section of this video and join our crypto community, right? Join our WhatsApp group and join our Telegram channel for more updates like this. See you guys in my next video.